In the words of Eric Franklin, to accomplish something, you must first have a clear purpose and the will to fulfill it. Hello, I'm Arnell Kinney. I, along with our demonstrator Katie, will be showing you some good exercise sequences and imagery techniques that will help with alignment and strength for dancers. Now, in the beginning of all your classes, you want to think about circling your axis. Stand in a comfortable position with your arms hanging at your sides. Imagine a vertical line or a forced beam originating from the floor between your feet and moving up to the center of your body. Now you want to go into lifting your feet off the floor, alternating by flexing easily in your hip sockets. Feel your central axis between your shifting legs. Now once you begin to rotate around this axis, you want to make sure that you're not moving all the way around the room, but instead be like a merry-go-round and revolve around a central post. You want to make sure that you do this on your right and left side. Also, try doing 1 turn, 2 turns, and hopefully 3. Beautiful. Katie's going to get into a plank position for us. We'll be working on finding good alignment during an exercise used for strength. In this position, you want to think about rooting your hands into the floor like a tree. Then push away from the floor with the palms of your hands. You want to avoid the urge to sink into the floor with your pelvis and retracting your scapula. Instead, you want to stay in a nice neutral position. Here, we can think about a light beaming from our ends of our heels to the top of our head to keep that spine nice and sturdy. Imagery can be used to correct your alignment, but it is important to remember that posture is as individual as a fingerprint. The goal is to not one day achieve perfect alignment, but to improve day by day. There will always be something to work on, especially with age. Now this next exercise is a simple releve. Although this is a very simple exercise, this is very important to your alignment. You can see Katie's beautiful alignment according to our board back here. And you want to keep it that way when you're going up and down and up and down and up and down. And even try it with your eyes closed. Now when you're in this position, you want to think about your head because it can affect your balance. You want to move it forward, back, right, and left. Let's try that one again. Forward, back, right, left. Great. And we're just going to keep this alignment going, doing these jumps on one leg. Great. Now we're just going to roll down to make sure that our head, neck, spine, pelvis, knees, and ankles are all in alignment. When dancing, this can fluctuate, but you must be careful. The next exercise we're going to do is an imagery exercise called lighting the spine. Visualize the spine as a chain of spotlights. Turn on the lights and observe their focal directions. If they shine in many confused directions, adjust them so that they all focus equally. Now, adjust them so they shine with equal brightness. Now you're just going to walk around and you're going to extend your coccyx bone like a tail of a dinosaur or a kangaroo. And this will help you with support, not only in class, but while you're walking down the street. I hope you have learned some techniques to do before, during, and after class. These are great for correcting alignment and building strength while dancing. So add one of these to your daily practice.